This is the cable tray and cable trunkings. At the corner it is the fitting. This video I want to show that the standard product of the cable tray or cable trunking, it has the fitting. If the installer they don't install the fitting, you can reject, you don't accept the installations because they don't install the standard material, they don't use the standard materials like this point. So to keep your projects got the high quality, the inspector you have to check clearly about the corner that they use the standard material or not. Please strictly on this point. Thank you.